Alright, good morning, sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Alright, sit down first. Make yourself feel comfortable to start our lesson. Okay, now, please, I want to see only the mathematics book only. Others then, mathematics please keep, okay? Alright. So, today, for our lesson, we are going to new chapter. Alright? So, before we go with our new chapter, how are you guys feeling today, okay?
Yes.
Good? Happy? Already eat your breakfast? Alright, so let me continue our lesson. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Alright. Okay. Have you guys seen this shape at any place? Or have you guys have touched or anything this shape? Have you guys seen this shape at any place?
Yes.
Okay. The first green color of the shape. Can you guys guess the name of that shape? Triangle. Good. Alright. The second one, the blue color. Square. Square. Rectangle. Square or rectangle? Square. Alright. Okay. So let me see first the shape. Alright. So this shape, have you guys seen anywhere?
Yes.
Which place have you seen this one? At traffic light? Okay, when you take a driving license, have you seen this shape?
Yes.
Alright. So, in this shape, how many sides this one have? 8 sides. Alright, good. So, this one, have you guys seen or eating this one?
Yes.
What type of the biscuit have you guys eaten? Cheese small. Cheese small, right? This one. Before you see the shape, what type of this thing? The ball. So the ball have a shape, right?
Yes.
So the shape, can we count together the side that the shape have? 6. Now let me count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So in our daily life, we also have many type of shape, right? Okay. So the next one. This one. Look delicious, right? So this one, the shape. What type of this shape? Like a triangle, right? Okay. So, the shape that you are see, can you guys, what topic that we are going to learn today? Polygon. Why you said polygon? Because the shape have a, when you touch the shape, can you feel anything that at the back of the shape? Alright, it's okay. So, our title for today's lesson is Chapter 9 Polygon, okay? So, we are going to see Chapter 9 Polygon. So, on your textbook, you can refer on page 202, okay? So, before we are going to our Chapter 9 Polygon, let me tell you first what we are going to do through our lesson, okay? On your table, have you seen the set of the 3 color? These 3 color, okay. So for our lesson today, I will use these 3 color to know whether you understand or not understand through our lesson, okay. So in each table, in each group, you have one set that call this one as traffic light. So when you see the color green, this means that you already understand, okay. When you see the yellow color, you still confusing. When you see the red color, you still not understand. Okay, get it for this one?
Yes.
Alright. So in each group, in 1 minute, can you guys pick one leader? Okay, in 1 minute, can you guys pick the leader in your group? Already have? Yes. Alright, good. Alright. So, before we are going to our chapter Polygon, let we know first our learning standard. So, we have one learning standard. The first thing is, you need to state the relationship between the number of sides, vertices and diagonal of polygon. Alright? So, in this chapter, we are going to see the 3 important things. The first one is sides, diagonal, and one more is vertices. Okay? So also we have learning objective. So learning objective we have 2. The first thing you need to understand the relationship between the number of sides, vertices and diagonal in polygon correctly. Alright, so the second one is you need to apply the formula. Okay, later inside our lesson you will see the formula how you can use to calculate that 3 important things just now. Vertices, diagonal and one more is side. Okay, apply the formula to calculate the number of diagonal in a polygon correctly. Alright, get it for this one? Alright. So, okay, before we go in our chapter 9, let we find the meaning of polygon first, okay? So, let we see the meaning of polygon. Alright, polygon. So just now, all the shape that you are see, all is a two-dimensional shape, and then they are made of straight line, and the shape is closed. Alright, so the meaning of polygon is that thing is two-dimensional shape. When you touch, it's like a plane, on a plane only. Okay. They are made of a straight line, and the shape are closed. If the shape is open, can we call that one is a polygon? No. Why? How the shape must be? It must be closed. Alright. Let we see this one on the screen. Okay, the first one. Have you eaten that fruit? Yes. What fruit that one? Watermelon. Good. So, the watermelon, what shape that one? Triangle. So, that one is triangle. So, the second one, the green color. That one is also two-dimensional shape. Okay. So, for watermelon, that one is two-dimensional shape or not? Is a two-dimensional shape or not? The watermelon. The meaning of the polygon is must be a straight line. The watermelon have a straight line or not? Yes. The watermelon have a straight line or not? No. So that one, can we call that one as a polygon? No. Polygon must be a straight line and all the line must be closed. Alright, the second one. Have any open the side? The green color. Have any open? No. So the shape all is straight like the side. So when can we call this one a polygon? Yes. Alright, this one, the peach color. The side is straight or have a curve? Have a curve. Can we call this one a polygon? No. Okay, the polygon must be a straight side. Alright, this one like a honeycomb, right? All the shape is closed and also all the side is straight. That one also a polygon. This one, the triangle. How the triangle look like? Closed or not? No. close or not? No. Can one person put your hands up and then answer this one? Anyone? Volunteer? Yes? Yes, Arisa?
The triangle is
Can be loud.
The triangle is not closed.
Okay, the triangle is not closed. So can we call that one is a polygon?
No.
No. Good. Thank you, Arisa. Sit down. Okay, the last one, the yellow color. I want one person. Let me pick a name, can? Yes. Alright. So, the luckiest for today is Desiree. Which Desiree? Alright, Desiree, the yellow color. Can we call that one as polygon?
No,
No, why?
because it doesn't have straight lines.
Because it doesn't have a straight line. Good. Thank you, Desiree. Okay, the characteristic of polygon is must be a straight line and all the shape must be close figure. Okay. Alright. Okay, just now you already see the side. The sides must be close. Okay, now we proceed with the next one. Okay, let we know the meaning of sides and vertices. Okay, the sides of a polygon are also called its edges. Okay, and the point where two sides meet are the vertices or corner of a polygon. Let we see more deeper with sides and vertices. Okay, here I have two diagrams about vertices and sides. Okay, let we see first the vertices, or we call as a vertex. Okay, so this one, from the first shape we have P, Q, R, T and S. Okay, all the point that have the red color as T, P, Q, R, all that one we call as vertex. So the blue color we call as a side. Okay, the point that connect we call as a side. Alright. Okay, now let we see some example from the GeoGebra. Okay, let me open the GeoGebra first. Alright, so from this diagram, what type of the polygon this one? Triangle. Okay, so the triangle, how many sides it have? Three sides. So how about the vertex? How many the vertex have for the triangle? Three also, okay. The sides and the vertex are equal. If the sides are three, the vertex also will be three. Good job. Alright. Alright, now I change the number of the side. Let we see whether the vertex is still same or change. So, I change the side to 4. Alright, now the side, this one, the point. Can you see the error on the screen? Okay, the side, this one. So, how many sides? Let we count. Come, we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the side we have 4. How about the vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so number of sides and number of vertex are equal. Alright. So let me put more bigger number of the side. If I put number of side is 6, how about the vertex? Equal or different? Equal with side. Alright. Okay. So you already know the vertex and the side. Okay, before I go more into our lesson, can everyone inside the group, okay, now get ready with your traffic light. Okay, get ready with your traffic light. Before you put up your traffic light, you discuss first whether you understand or not the meaning of vertex, size and diagonal. Alright? So I count in 5. When 5, you put your traffic light, whether you understand or not, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your traffic light up. Alright, good. So everyone understand about the vertices, diagonal and side. Okay, sure. So everyone confident you understand about that 3 important? Yes. Alright, good. Put down. So now let we know about the polygon that have the sides is more than 3. Okay. When the polygon have the 3 sides, we call as triangle. So when the polygon have 4 sides, we call as quadrilateral. One more, have 1 side, we also can call as, just now you tell me the blue color at the first lesson just now. Square. Okay. So if the side has 5 sides, we call as pentagon. Alright. If 6 sides, we call as hexagon. If 7 sides, heptagon. If 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. And 10 sides, we call as decagon. Alright. 1A2. Alright. I want to highlight here about the hexagon and heptagon. The spelling is about similar, right? How you can differentiate these two? You know that this one 6 side is called as hexagon. So how you can remember this one is 6 side hexagon? You see the X letter here. Okay? X, that means that one have 6 side. Okay? Don't confuse with heptagon. Alright? Okay? Okay. Alright, let me move on. Okay, let me move on to diagonal. Just now you already see the vertex and side. Okay, now let me see the diagonal. Okay, the diagonal. Now let me see the relationship between the number of sides, vertices and diagonal of a polygon. Okay, the first thing, we must know the meaning of diagonal first. Okay, so diagonal is a line segment from one corner to another. Okay, but not the edges. Alright, so let me see the picture, the polygon. So what meaning of diagonal? Diagonal is line segment from one corner to another. So the corner we call as edges, right? So this triangle, can I do any line segment inside here? No. Let me draw it. So this one is triangle. So can I do any line segment or diagonal inside the triangle? No. Okay. Okay. So the quadrilateral, why we cannot do any line segment or diagonal inside the triangle? You have any corner that you can combine with from edges to edges? No. It's just form a closed figures. Alright. So for the quadrilateral, we can do a diagonal because it has one corner to another corner. So the diagonal that we can make for the quadrilateral is 2. Let me see together. Okay, let me draw a diagonal for quadrilateral. It must be corner to corner, right? So from edges to edges. So one diagonal. So have any edges that you not combine? Have one more here. So how many diagonal you can form for quadrilateral? is 2. Okay, let me see from the GeoGebra. Alright, let me see the diagonal from the GeoGebra. Okay, now if I have 3 sides, I cannot be form a diagonal, right? But if I have 4 sides, I can form a diagonal. Okay, so the diagonal must be from edges to edges. Okay, so how many diagonal for the quadrilateral? 1, 2. Okay, if I have 5 sides, so 5 sides, the name of the polygon is? 5 sides, my dear. 5 sides we call as pentagon. So if you have 5 sides, we call as pentagon. So pentagon, we have edges. So from one edges to one edges, we can form a diagonal. Let me see the diagonal. So the diagonal is the line inside the polygon. So from one edges to one edges, it can form a diagonal. So this one edges to one edges is one diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal, and 5 diagonal. Alright, for you to count the diagonal, we have a formula. Okay, for you to count a diagonal, we have a formula. The formula is n bracket n minus 3 over 2. What is n here? N is number good, number of side. Okay, so from the number of side, we can know how many that polygon have a diagonal. Okay, let me see for example the quadrilateral. Okay, now the quadrilateral, how many sides it have? How many sides the quadrilateral have? 4. So the n here will be 4. So 4 bracket, so the side is 4. So all the n is number of sides, minus 3 divide 2. Okay, now settle down the bracket first. 4 minus 3, you will get 1. Okay, outside the bracket, you not touch, copy back 1. Okay, divide 2. So 4 in bracket, that's mean multiply, right? So 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 divide 2. 4 divide 2 will be 2. So the number of diagonal will be 2. So is it same with the quadrilateral on the screen? Okay. So let me test for the number of side is 5. If the number of side is 5, okay, 5 we call polygon as pentagon. Okay, now number of side is 5. So number of side is 5. Now we need to find number of diagonal. Okay, 5 minus 3 will be 2. This one copy 2. Alright, over 2. Okay, 5 times 2 will be 10. 10 divide 2. 5. Okay, now let me see whether is it true or not. Pentagon has 5 diagonal. Let me count together on the screen number of diagonal. 1 diagonal. Let me count together. Class, 1 diagonal, 2, 3, 4, and one more here, right? 5 diagonal. Okay? Alright. Okay, now let me practice whether all that we know is true or not using the formula. So I will pass. One group will get one worksheet. So all the worksheet, you will have 3 questions. So all these 3 questions, you will answer inside the group in 10 minute times. Okay? You will find the diagonal, how many diagonal for each polygon. Okay? Wait, I open the timer first. Welcome. Welcome. Alright, in 10 minutes, you will solve the question that I already give. Alright, wait. So I open the timer. Alright, 10 minutes is start.